I've heard that I've gone to gate motors and I've found snakes in gate motors. I have found geckos in gate motors, spiders, ants. Ants are the worst. They get into every small little crevice there is in the gate motor, or in your beams for that matter, and they cause quite a bit of destruction in there. So I'm just showing you how to get rid of these things, or not get rid of them, to actually prevent it. This beam is full of ants. This is your gate beam, your infrared gate beam. The ants have made a nest in here. They like the boards for some reason or another. To try and prevent this, you can either put in a mothball, if you can fit it in. Put it in there. The ants don't like mothballs. You can even use baby powder if you would like to. But the ants urinate on these boards, and their urine is very, very acidic, and it actually destroys the board. As you can see here, the ants have moved in here. They've really gone to town. Yeah, I've got a photograph of a wireless beam and a wired beam. As you can see, I drew a little yellow circle to mark the lens, the eye of the beam, I call it. When you put powder on the inside the beams, make sure that you don't get any powder on the beam eye itself. Just keep it clean. We do these videos quite often. If they help you, please hit that bell button, like and share, subscribe to our channel so that people can get to see these videos. It takes quite a bit of time to do the videos, and it's hard work. This is a beam. We've put a bit of powder in there. It's to stop the ants from coming into the beam. It's okay to put it where you want to. There's a little lens in here that you have to keep clear, so rather just put it at the bottom to stop the ants from coming into the beam. Ants love gate motors as well. As you can see here in this photograph, the ants have moved in and are now congregating on the power supply with their eggs. Okay, we're going to put powder. You can use any powder, baby powder, or I don't know, any powder that you want. All you do is you sprinkle the powder over your gate motor. Don't be afraid to do it. There are insects that come and live in this motor because it's nice and warm, and the ants are also attracted to electronics for some reason or another. But that's all you need to do, and what happens is it also keeps your gate motor dry. Your gate motor dry. If it's damp outside, the moisture will go into the powder itself. That's all you need to do, and replace your cover. When you replace your cover, just do it very carefully that you don't move any of your wires or pull wires off. You can also put mothballs inside the sock and squeeze this into an available gap on the gate motor itself.